Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable music control when the screen is off in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, okay, you can see the gestures in motion. Okay, go to gesture in motion. And okay guys, here in gesture in motion, okay, you can see on the top the screen of gesture. You only have to do is click this. And now here in screen of gesture, okay, on the right side, you can see the switch button. Okay, you only have to do is enable the switch button. And now here you can see the music control, and on the right side, okay, you can see the switch button. Okay, you all have to do is enable the switch button. Okay, if the music control is enabled, okay, draw two finger from top to bottom to pause, play a track, or draw arrow to the left or to the right to switch the track when the screen is off. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled the music control when the screen is off in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, we can try it. Okay, go back and okay, switch off the screen. And now okay, we can try to enable the music by slide the two finger from top to bottom. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the music control in your Oppo A5s even when screen is off. And okay guys, to turn off this, okay, you all have to do is slide again the two finger from top to bottom. And okay guys, we have successfully turned off the music. And okay guys, try the another option of the music control. Okay, and okay guys, we have to enable again the music by tap the two finger from top to bottom. And okay guys, we can try the another option, the arrow to the left. Okay, we have to draw the arrow to the left. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the previous music. And okay guys, another one is draw to the right. And okay guys, we have successfully played the next music of your song. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.